Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Hyundai Accent bumper. Begin by parking on a level spot and disconnecting the battery for safety. Next, jack the car and support it with stands so you can remove the lower clips and fasteners without strain. Lay out bolts and clips in order to simplify reassembly. Keep a magnetic tray for small parts and inspect mounting points for damage before fitting the new bumper. Start by removing any wheel well liners or trim that block access to bolts and clips. Carefully unfasten the top, bottom, and side bolts while one person supports the bumper to prevent scratches. If you encounter broken clips, replace them immediately to avoid damage during removal. Detach any fog light or sensor connectors gently and set the old bumper aside on a soft surface to prevent scuffs and allow inspection of mounting tabs. Place the new bumper onto the mounting points and loosely start a couple of bolts to hold it in position. Reconnect any fog lights and sensors before fully tightening hardware so connectors align easily. Work around the bumper tightening bolts evenly to maintain even gaps and avoid stress on tabs. Reinstall wheel liners, trim, and headlights, then perform a final inspection and test lights and sensors to confirm everything functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.